Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pattern lock screen password to alphanumeric lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, try to unlock your phone. It will ask your current pattern. Okay, so this is my pattern in my case. If you would like to change this pattern to any other alphanumeric password, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, click on the settings here, then go to lock screen, and here choose screen lock and biometrics, and now you have to draw the current pattern to authenticate and confirmation. Now you have to click on the password here and set alphanumeric password of your choice. Here just I write pingy 27. Minimum 1 letter should be used and 4 characters should be used. Okay. Click on continue. Again give the same one to verify. Again I give pinky 27. Click on OK. Now alphanumeric password has been set as pingy 27 in my case. Now lock your phone and try to unlock. It will ask you your PIN. That is alphanumeric password. Give the alphanumeric password here, pingy 27 in my case. What password you have set, just click, just give it and click on the tick mark so that it will be opened. So hereafter pingy 27 is the alphanumeric password for my phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.